Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the metadata from any image you have, uh, directly to the digit forms, in the letter forms, in the code form. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for getmetadata.com. Once you do that, you have to open the first website that will appear right in front of you. For example, if I write this getmetadata.com, now you can see this website which says getmetadata.com. Just simply open this website and wait for the website to load. Now here you have to go to this option which says view metadata. Once the website opens, just simply hit choose file and select the file of which you want to extract the metadata. It will take some time to process the image, and you have to hit start, and the metadata of the image will appear right in front of you, which contain all the detail about the image: the name, the checksum, the file type, the image width, length, the color type, and everything you want from an image. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.